The storm's 13-foot storm surge on our western coastline and up to 30 inches of rain in the central highlands reveal the devastating power of a new climate reality. The era of once-in-a-generation hurricane is over. In fact, the era of being hit by a hurricane once every 30 years is over. Imagine we were hit by Beryl. Then immediately after that, a tropical storm, almost 6 weeks of consistent rains, and then this year, then drought, and then this year to be hit by a Category 5 hurricane. So, climate science confirms that storms are now intensifying faster, moving slower, and carrying more rain than ever before, emerging from warmer oceans and testing the limits of our infrastructure and preparedness. The combination of wind, storm surge, and rain, as we saw with Melissa, creates cascading failures of infrastructure that storm scientists call a glimpse into the Caribbean's future.